And exhale, send the hips back, extended child's pose. Now slowly moving with your breath, inhale. Exhale to send it back. Inhale. So we're not dropping the belly here, we're keeping extension in the spine as we breathe in. And then rounding, sending the hips back as we breathe out. Inhale, lift. Exhale, send it back. Inhale, extend. Exhale. Feet and ankles are soft. And then hug the knees into the chest. We're gonna rock to one side, any side, and slowly press up to all fours. Take your time, pad the knees if you like. I have a little blanket out here today. And we're gonna come into extended child's pose from this tabletop position. So bring the knees wide, wrists underneath the shoulders, knees wide. And then we're gonna inhale, extend forward, look forward. Exhale, send the hips back, extended child's pose. That's the movement. Inhale, lift up, heart, crown of the head extends forward. Peek at me if you need to.